Hello, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. By default, Shopify gives you only a few discount conditions. But what if you want more control? In this video, I will show you the advanced discount condition Shopify doesn't allow by default. So before going to the video, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe our channel for more Shopify tips. So for this, I have used Next Discount app which is downloaded from the Shopify App Store. I have also attached the link to this app in the description box. Just check it out. After installing it, open the app from the Shopify admin panel and click on Advanced Coupons. Now go for the product discount option and click on Create Product Discount. Now we have to give a title. Now I am adding as Flash 100. And the discount method I am choosing it as code. Now we can give a code which is similar to the title. So I'm adding Flash 100 as the title here also. So my code and title should be the same. And I can also combine the discount code with a product discount, order discount or a shipping discount which are existing ones. And I can also limit the number of times this discount can be used in total, which means if I'm giving a 100 value means this discount can be applied for the 100 uses. And I can also limit the use of this code one time per the customers. Now comes the rules part. So here we can set some rules for the code to be applied. So by clicking add new conditions, we are giving new rules to the cart section. So if I am giving total amount is greater than 1000, which means that the code will be applied only when the total cart value is greater than 1000. And I can have multiple conditions. I'm adding another condition as customer has a tag called VIP. So whenever these two conditions are get satisfied, this code can be applied. So we can also make the match type as any condition must match. In this scenario, the code will check for the all any condition is matched. So either the total amount should be greater than 1000, otherwise the customer should be a VIP customer. So if anyone is got matched, then the code can be applied. So for now, I'm adding it for all condition must match as the match type. And I'm giving my action as apply discount, and it should be applied for all the products. We can specifically set this for a collection or a product, anything we want. But for now, I'm adding it for all the products. And I'm giving a percentage value of 10 with a maximum discount as 100. After adding all these details, I am saving the changes. So I'm checking whether my discount code is got activated. We can see that Flash 100 is got activated from the discount section. So I'm checking the customer with VIP tag now. You can see that this customer is having a tag called VIP. So all our setup has done. Now we can test this in our online store. Now I am checking a product of worth 757 and I am moving this product to the cart and I am adding my discount code Flash 100 here and I am adding my VIP customer details here. Now you can see that this code is not applied. It's because the condition of VIP customer, even though the condition is matched in the case of customer tag, but the total amount cart value is not exceeding 1000. So we cannot apply the discount code here. So I'm testing with some other products now. Now I'm trying to buy a product of worth 1350. I'm adding flash 100 as my code. Now it's not applied. We have to add the VIP customer details. Let's see. So the code is got applied successfully. You can see that even though the 10 percentage of 1350 is 135, the capping amount is make sure that the discount code will never go beyond 100 because we have already set the capping amount as 100 in our setup. So that's a quick look at discount conditions on Shopify doesn't allow by default. So if you find this useful, don't forget to subscribe our channel and share, like and comment. Here is a one more tip for you. If you need any advanced option beyond what I have explained here, you can always reach out to the customer support team from the app. They will help customize the app for your store's need. So, thanks for watching.